So let's take a look at how you can add pages to dashboard in Einstein Analytics Studio. So first, make sure to log into developer edition of Einstein Analytics and click on app launcher. Now when you do app launcher, you will notice that you have Analytics Studio as this button. When you click on that, it should open Einstein Analytics, and here you can open your dashboard. When you open it, it will have default elements and grid. Okay, I already created one query and dropped it on first page, so let's rename this as first and then apply. Now I have to create a new page, so I will click on this plus icon and create second page. So let's type in second, click on add. That will add another grid, and then here we can drop our elements. So let's say if I want to drop chart, let's go ahead creating a query, or ultimately you can also use existing queries as well. Okay, so here I'm just creating user and its activity is active. So here you see list of the users I have in my account and also those who are active and non-active. Simply rename your query as active users and click on done. Now it is added into your second dashboard. Okay, you can expand it so that it is easy to view. Okay, now you can go ahead and click on save. Now when you go for preview mode, you will find that your dashboard has basically these two pages, where second page is now viewable. Okay, now let's go back and we can view our first page as well. Okay, so you get the idea how to add multiple pages to your dashboard in Einstein Analytics Studio.